In this video, I'm going to show you how to check old tweets in Twitter, now called X, using the built-in advanced search tool. This is a super useful method if you want to find your own past tweets, look up an old post from another account, or narrow down results by date so you can quickly find exactly what you need. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once the site loads, use the search bar at the top and type anything into it. It doesn't really matter what you search for at this stage because we're just using it to unlock the advanced search options. Next, look for the three dots next to the search bar. Click those dots and from the menu that appears, select Advanced Search. This opens up a much more detailed search panel, which is exactly what we need to find old tweets by date and by account. Now scroll down until you reach the Date section. This is where you can narrow down your search to a specific time period. In the From field, enter the starting date for the tweets you want to find. Then, in the To field, enter the ending date. This helps X filter out everything outside that date range, which makes it much easier to locate older posts. After that, keep scrolling until you find the Account section. Here, type in the specific username of the account you want to search. If you're looking for your own old tweets, enter your own X username. If you want to search another account, type that account's username instead. This step is really helpful because it tells X to only show results from that specific user. Once your dates and account are filled in, double-check everything to make sure the range is correct and the username is spelled properly. Then click Search. X will now show you tweets that match your date range and account filter, making it much easier to find old tweets without scrolling endlessly through a profile. If you want to search even more precisely, you can also combine this method with keywords from the tweet you remember. That way, you can narrow the results down even further and save a lot of time. And that's it. Now you know how to check old tweets in Twitter, or X, using advanced search. It's one of the fastest ways to find posts from the past, and once you get used to it, it becomes really simple. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.